Eid al-Adha, a festival of faith, sacrifice, and delicious food. Across the world, Muslims celebrate with family, friends, and mouth-watering meat dishes that have been passed down for generations. Join my YouTube channel Destination Food with Gia as we take a flavorful trip across 7 countries to discover their most iconic Eid al-Adha dishes. Number 1. Pakistan beef nahari and barbecue platters. In Pakistan, Eid morning starts early with marinated meat on skewers ready for grilling. Beef seekh kebabs and spicy chicken tikkas fill the air with smoky aroma. But the star of the table is beef nahari, a slow-cooked stew rich in spices, bone marrow, and tradition. Served with naan and lemon, it's a dish that unites generations around the table. Number 2. India mutton biryani and kalaji masala. In India, Eid means mutton biryani, a fragrant mix of basmati rice, saffron, and tender goat meat. Flavored with cardamom, cloves, and fried onions, it's a festival of its own. Alongside it, you'll find kalaji masala, spiced liver curry often made fresh after Qurbani. The combination of aroma, flavor, and culture makes Eid unforgettable in Indian kitchens. Number 3. Turkey kavurma. In Turkey, Eid al-Adha is called Kurban Bayrami, and the traditional dish is kavurma. It's a simple yet deeply flavorful stir-fry of lamb or beef, cooked in its own fat with salt and sometimes vegetables. It's often served with pilaf or fresh bread, symbolizing both simplicity and respect for the sacrifice. Families prepare it together, bonding over age-old traditions. Number 4. Morocco lamb mechoui. Morocco celebrates Eid with lamb mechoui, a whole lamb roasted slowly, often underground or in clay ovens. The meat becomes incredibly tender, seasoned with cumin, garlic, and saffron. Served with couscous, olives, and harissa, it's a majestic feast that brings communities together. It's not just food, it's a celebration of heritage and hospitality. Number 5. Indonesia sate kambing. Indonesia puts its signature on Eid al-Adha with sate kambing, goat meat skewers grilled over open flames. Marinated in a mix of coriander, turmeric, garlic, and kecap manis, sweet soy sauce, the skewers are tender and bold in flavor. Paired with peanut sauce and rice cakes, it's a dish that blends tradition with street food flair. Number 6. Nigeria spicy suya. From the heart of West Africa, Nigeria brings us suya, thinly sliced beef or ram coated in a fiery peanut spice rub. Grilled over coal and served with onions, tomatoes, and spicy yaji powder, suya is a must-have during Eid. Eaten on the streets or at family gatherings, it shows how bold flavors can bring people together. Number 7. Egypt fada with lamb. In Egypt, Eid mornings begin with the scent of fada, a layered dish of rice, crispy bread, vinegar, and garlic tomato sauce topped with tender lamb. It's rich, tangy, and comforting. Families gather for this age-old dish that symbolizes generosity and tradition. Fada is not just food, it's history on a plate. From street grills in Nigeria to roasted lamb in Morocco, Eid al-Adha food shows us how deeply culture and cuisine are intertwined. Which country's dish would you love to try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Destination Food with Gia for more food journeys from around the world. Eid Mubarak! Crescent moon, fork and knife with plate.